Dear friends, welcome back. Today, we're continuing our art lesson focusing on experimenting with paints, solvents, and techniques. As I've mentioned in previous videos, experimentation is key to understanding how paints mix and how different solvents create unique effects. Knowing which solvent works best for your process can make all the difference. If you're working with children, it's especially important to choose safe, non toxic solvents, ones that don't evaporate harmful fumes, don't irritate skin, and are easy to clean up. One excellent option is PVA glue, a widely available and inexpensive solvent that works wonderfully in art projects. In this lesson, I'll show you how the same paints react to different solvents. I'll also incorporate a little silicone using a spray version, though it can also be added as a liquid. This kind of experimentation helps me explore new ideas, and I'm happy to share them with you. For this demonstration, I've prepared two primary solvents. 1. A mix of PVA glue and water equal parts, using filtered or purified water to avoid mineral reactions. 2. A standard, affordable acrylic pouring medium that's popular for creating fluid art. To ensure a clear contrast, I'll use three paints: white, black, and red. These colors create strong visual effects and highlight how the solvents interact with the pigments. For my canvas, I'm using a basic stretch frame, nothing fancy, just affordable practice material. It's not perfectly taut, so I've placed a grid underneath to help distribute the paint evenly. I've divided my paints into 6 small cups, adding equal parts paint and solvent for each. The consistency of the mixture is key, not too thick, not too thin. For highly concentrated inks, the ratio might be 1 part ink to 9 parts solvent, but for acrylic paints, 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 works well. Once the mixtures are ready, I'll use the flip cup technique, pouring the paint onto the canvas by flipping the cup over and letting the paint flow freely. I started by layering white, black, and red paints in the cup, allowing the colors to naturally blend without overmixing. As I flipped the cups onto the canvas, the reactions began to appear. The PVA glue mixture creates smoother, more fluid transitions, blending the colors into soft gradients. The acrylic pouring medium combined with silicone produces bold, defined cells with intricate patterns and vibrant contrast. To enhance the effects, I lightly heated the canvas, helping the silicone rise to the surface and form additional cells. This technique reveals hidden details and adds depth to the artwork. Key observations 1. The PVA glue mixture tends to blend colors more than the pouring medium, resulting in softer transitions, fewer defined cells. 2. The acrylic medium creates more striking effects, especially when combined with silicone spray. 3. Heating the paint after pouring amplifies the patterns and helps eliminate bubbles, creating a polished finish. While experimenting, I noticed that the cheaper canvas material caused some unevenness. This is a common issue with budget friendly frames, as they may sag or distort under the weight of the paint. For more professional results, it's worth investing in higher quality canvases. In the end, I created two pieces, each showcasing the unique properties of the solvents used. The first piece, with the PVA glue mixture, features soft, flowing patterns perfect for abstract or landscape inspired designs. The second piece, using the pouring medium and silicone, has more pronounced cell like textures that give it a dynamic, energetic look. While both approaches yield interesting results, I found that the acrylic pouring medium offered more control and precision for creating defined effects. Regardless of the materials you use, the key is to experiment and enjoy the process. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know which technique you liked best in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more art lessons and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep experimenting and exploring your creativity.